Elasticity. In physics and material science, elasticity is the ability of a body to resist a distorting influence and to return to its original size and shape when the influence or force is removed. Solid objects will deform when adequate loads are applied to them. If the material is elastic, the object will return to its initial shape and size after removal. This is in contrast to plasticity, in which the object fails to do so and instead remains in its deformed state. Haan, the physical reasons for elastic behavior can be quite different for different materials in matter. The atomic lattice changes size and shape when force or applied energy is added to the system. When forces are removed, the lattice goes back to the original lower energy state. For rubbers and other polymers, elasticity is caused by the stretching of polymer chains when forces are applied. Hooke's law states that the force required to deform elastic objects should be directly proportional to the distance of the motion, regardless of how large that distance becomes. This is known as perfect elasticity, in which a given object will return to its original shape no matter how strongly it is deformed. This is an ideal concept. Only most material which possess elastic in practice remain purely elastic only up to very small deformation, after which plastic permanent deformation occurs. In engineering, the elasticity of a metal is quantified by the elastic modulus, such as the Young's modulus, bulk modulus, or shear modulus, which measures the amount of stress needed to achieve a unit of strain. A high modulus indicates that the material is harder to deform. The SI unit of this modulus is the Pascal. The material elastic limit or yield strength is maximum stress that can arise before the one set of plastic deformation. Its SI unit is also the Pascal. When an elastic material is deformed due to an external force, it experiences internal resistance to the deformation and restores to its original state. If the external force is no longer applied, there are various elastic moduli such as Young's modulus, the shear modulus, and the bulk modulus, all of which are measures of the inherent plastic properties of a material.